Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding. Today we are going to discuss a question which is Nknights combinations. In this question, what we need to do is we need to place our knights in such a positions in which our knight would place safely. What I'm trying to say is, see, if you have solved the previous questions, then you would be able to understand what we are doing here. If you have solved the question and queens, then you would be able to know what we have done there. We have placed queens in the matrix of n cross n. We have placed the queens such that no queen can kill each other, like this, or maybe like this. In any of these conditions, no any queen could would able to kill each other. So we need to place our knights such that no any knight would able to kill each other. How? See, uh, let me just draw the matrix. See, in this matrix, if we are placing our knight at any position, like if we are placing a knight here, then we need to make sure that no any knight will should placed here. If any column would present here, then not here also. All right, I will just delete this column. Okay, at these four positions no any knight would already been placed, so we need to check if any knight is placed here, then we can't place our knight here. If any knight is present at these positions already, then we are not supposed to place our knight here, because this knight is not safe here. Any knight can kill him here. So for these calls, what we need to check, we have to check for four directions. Why four directions? Because we already know that if we are placing our knights, if we want to place a knight here, then no any knight will present at these positions, so we don't need to check at these positions. Otherwise, there is a position like this, we would have to check at this position also, but we don't need to check at these positions, because these are the places where knight has not been placed already, and these are the places where knight has already been placed, so we need to check at these positions only. All right, this is also the position, but here we are going outside the chess board, so that's why I am avoiding this case in this condition, but we need to check this position also. All right, so we need to check these four directions. For this, it will I minus 2 j minus 1. Here I minus 2 j plus 1. Here I minus 1 j minus 2, and here I minus 1 j plus 2. So these are the conditions we need to uh, keep in our mind, and we need to check that at these positions, if any knight is present at these positions, then we need to just return false, so that uh, no any knight will be placed there. What were the conditions? If I minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, and then j minus 2 is greater than equals to 0, and then chess I minus 1 j minus 2, then we will just return false, that we can't place our knight at this position. If I minus 2 and then j minus 1 and then chess I minus 2 j minus 1 return false. If I minus 2 is greater than equals to 0, and then j plus 1 is less than chess dot size, because we are going in this direction, and then if we are going in this direction, then we need to check that we don't get outside the chessboard. Here, if we are going in this direction, then we need to make sure that we don't go outside the chessboard. So is less than chess dot length, and then chess I minus 2 j plus 1. In this condition also return false. And last condition, if I minus 1 is greater than equals to 0, and then j plus 2 is greater than equals to 0, sorry, j plus 2 is less than chess dot size, and then chess I minus 1 j plus 2. In this condition also we need to return false. And if we are not getting false from any of these conditions, if we are not getting false from any of these conditions, then we will simply return true, that we can place our knight at that place. True. Now let's try to run the code. All right. Okay. We are missing a bracket here. Let's try to run again. All right. I haven't write the condition here, greater than equals to 0. For j also I haven't write the condition equals to 0. Let's try to run again. One more take. For j plus 1 I have already write chess dots. I'm sorry. Here we need to write chess dot length. So sorry. Let's try to run again. Yeah, successful. Submit. All the test cases have been passed. So I hope you have understand what we are doing here. We are just checking that if we can place our knight at that position or not. If we are able to place, then we will simply place a pass true. Otherwise we will return false, so that we will we will not place our knight at that position. All right, so I hope you have understand the concept. If not, then you can replay the video, and if then also you are having any doubt, then you can tell us in the comment section. Till then, tata, bye bye, thank you so much.